time to get up, or to go get in bed. Abby. Abby.
We came up a little short today.
Time for bed.
We went into the game
Go get in bed.
Unfortunately, that's how we finished
Abby.
the game with one.
Okay, Abby, go get in bed.
We're proud of you. Played with heart. Played like Olympians. So today.
No, Abby. Abby. This way, honey. This way. This way. Abby, get in bed. Abby, get in bed. Abby, get in bed. Look, there's your bed. Jump up there. No, Abby. Jump up into bed. Look, up, up, up. Get into bed. Abby, come on.
Ow.
I know, honey. Listen, it's time for you to get into bed and I can't lift you. Look, put your hand up there. Get up.
Abby, open your eyes.
Ab, get up into your bed on the top bunk. Okay, Ab, look, jump up into bed. Jump up into bed. Good job. Can you get under the covers? Do you need a blanket?
That was actually.
Do you need a blanket?
Abby, get under the covers.
Get under the covers? Ouch. Alright, here we go.